He told us to leave Africa to hustle for a better life, but most Africans abroad are still broke, exhausted, and missing out on the easiest money wave in history. Most Africans abroad are working double shifts, grinding 12 plus hours daily just to pay rent. Meanwhile, AI is printing money for people who work just 3 hours or even less a day. Let me break it down. AI is not the future. It's happening now. Most people don't understand that AI is not some futuristic thing that will change the world in 10 years. It's already making people rich right now. Content creators are using AI to edit videos, write scripts, and automate YouTube channels that pay them while asleep. Traders are using AI softwares to analyze and execute trades without human assistance. AI can build entire websites, sales pages, and marketing funnels in minutes, and businesses would pay thousands for that. And guess what? Most Africans abroad don't know any of this. I get it because I was once there too. Before I launched my AI-powered business, I thought I just needed to work hard, save money, and life would be good. But after years of grinding, I realized that taking more jobs and shifts to pay bills means zero freedom for myself and very little time to spend with the people I love. Even with that, the bills keep increasing, so you need to keep working round the clock to meet up. And that, my friend, is the frustrating rat race a lot of young Africans migrating abroad for greener pastures face. This was my wake-up call. I had to find a way to make money work for me, and that is how I discovered how to use AI to make passive income. Now you might be asking, how can I make money with AI right now? Let me show you some real examples. Number one, AI-powered trading softwares. This is what a lot of people have used to generate up to 7 figures in passive income trading the forex market without lifting a finger. The interesting part of this is that you don't need to be an expert in trading or AI. I mean, with zero experience, you can earn money from the financial market using the power of AI trading software. 2. AI product creation and services. People no longer need to spend hours trying to create the perfect product to sell online and make money. There are a lot of AI tools that can help you create digital products like courses, ebooks, and apps that can make you money on automation. For example, tools like Gamma AI can create beautiful looking slides in minutes for your courses and presentations. Number 3, AI for digital marketing and sales. What if I told you that you can generate thousands of leads and sales without spending hours sending cold DMs and replying to comments or messages? With a tool like ManyChats, you can automate the whole sales process, save time, and focus on the things that are important. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech guru or spend lots of money to use that. And this is just scratching the surface of the mind-blowing things you can do with AI and start earning your way to the top. So here's what you need to do. A. Stop thinking AI is too hard to understand. It's literally doing all the work for you. B. Pick one AI money-making strategy: content creation, AI trading, digital products, AI affiliate marketing, AI automation business. Just start with one. And C. Automate and scale. The people making the most money in the world aren't working harder. They're just working smarter. So if you're still grinding shifts while AI is making other people rich, you're on the wrong side of history. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with someone who needs this information. I'll see you on the next one.